Teachers love using handwriting recognition on their smartboard to easily turn their handwriting into text. For math teachers, most of those features do not work when doing things like exponents, superscripts, subscripts, or even other mathematical symbols and formulas. However, in Smart Notebook, you have the equation editor. The equation editor allows you to write mathematical formulas and symbols that will recognize to text. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I picked up the pen right here. I'm inside of Smart Notebook. I'm going into the puzzle piece along the top, and then you see the sigma symbol with the pen. That'll give me a little white writing space, kind of a grid, on my smartboard in my Smart Notebook software. So now with the pen, I just start writing. So if I write x squared, erase that, x squared plus 2x, you see along the bottom, it recognized x squared plus 2x. And I could press check, and now I have that as text on my page. Let's do another example. Maybe I'm doing something with fractions, so I can do 1 over 2, and that'll immediately recognize it as half. So again, now I have that text on my page. We'll do one more. I'll just draw a omega symbol. Drew an omega symbol, potentially a pi symbol. And you see that it recognized that formula, even though it's not an actual formula, and I'm able to draw symbols and have that to text. It's really easy to have your handwriting turn into math content using the equation editor.
Sign up for a basic account at opd.tech.com for more great smart skills videos.